My name is Russ Bellflower. I'm the building consultant in the Gainesville, Georgia office for America's Home Place. My responsibilities as a building consultant is I'm basically the first line when people walk in to come in and buy a house. I show them different plans, discuss what their property situation is, and go through the whole building process. America's Home Place is a really special place due to the way they treat customers, the way they treat their employees. I feel that customers seek out America's Home Place to have their home built because of their reputation. They've been around for a long time. They built a really nice home. We have a large selection of homes to choose from, and we can make any changes they want to the home to make it their home. The services America's Home Place offers is we're a full-service builder. We can take everything from the time you get your property. We can move forward and do all your land improvements for you and help you build a house. So we can help you choose a home, make any changes to it, and help you through the whole process. I think America's Home Place has become one of the largest scatter lot builders in America just because of the service they give. They provide service to the customers, and the customers know what they're going to get in the end. My experience working with customers so far has been great. Everybody seems to like the homes we have. They like the changes we can make to them. Everybody seems really pleased with the service we give at America's Home Place.